Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling the microphone on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. Now select Sound. In Sound Settings, go to the Input heading and select your microphone. In the settings for your microphone, where it says Audio, you can select Allow or Don't Allow. This determines whether Windows can use your microphone to record audio. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.